Oops.
The last to go, you ready?
Yeah, it's recording.
Is it a little ticker going? Okay.
It says
Ready?
REC.
Clear, go. You go put your seatbelt on, you genius.
Oh, I took it off when we took the...
No one accused you, no one ever accused you of being
No,
smart.
I had to get the goddamn camera off. I was set to go.
And look where we're gonna be going too.
I mean, turn it? I'm gonna have to watch the video.
Who messed up all these cones? Oh yeah, it was me.
Twice around.
Here, pavement strut. Oh, I fucked that up.
Okay, we're done.